Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back again, to this vlog of today. Coming live from village grandpa's residence, and it's in the afternoon, guys. It's about lunchtime, or I can say it's lunchtime. So, guys, today what we were doing here, it's plastering. So this part was done yesterday. This part was done yesterday, and now we are continuing with this part here. So this is how they are doing it. Yeah. So we are continuing with this part. Kuja Maria, useme hi. Come and say hi. Yeah, so Maria, she's here. I think they are almost closing school. So guys, this is what we're doing. This place was not plastered, but everywhere else is plastered. So we are doing it bit by bit, and God, in God's grace, we are doing it. We are doing it, guys. Yeah, so the project is on, and it's a project of finishing a village grandma's house. So I really appreciate the people who are supporting me, the people who are there for us, and yeah, we really appreciate so much. So you have Maria here. Say hi. Meza chakula kwanza. Yeah, okay. Say hi. What are you eating?
Bread.
Bread and
Tea.
tea. Okay. What is your name?
Maria_KE. Instagram.
Subscribe to.
Maria KE Village Grandpa.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
And subscribe to Make.
And to make. Wow. And to
Adrian.
Artrin. Oh wow. And Pope Africa. Yeah. So guys, Maria, she's at home. At least now we can't get bored because they are almost closing. They finished the exam. So she's here. Then they will go back to school to close school. Sindio Maria? Sawa, bye, enda ukule. Yeah. So guys, today it's a beautiful day, and which God has blessed some people here in the village. I really believe it's a blessing, and thank you so much for the people who have decided to bless some of our vloggers here. So it's so nice, and I'm going there to surprise them, guys, with a very big, very nice like gift. So yeah, guys, yesterday I was sent some money to give to some people here in our village. Of course, they are vloggers, they are YouTubers, so it's so nice. So guys, I was sent this money to give out to some people. You guys will see them. They will introduce themselves, and let's get to know them. And yeah, so yeah guys, let's go, because the money is still on my phone, so I will be sending them through their phone. So this was sent from Mama Ann and Marie. Yeah, they are subscribers from our subscribers, and they really wanted to surprise. I think it's a surprise to Pope Africa, and some of the people who will be going to also give them the gift that it was sent from the gifts that they had. So this is Pope's Africa's home. So I want to say thank you so much. Thank you so much a lot. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much, Mom Ann and your daughter Marie, for doing this for us, surprising us. So this is Pope Africa's residence, and this is the house. Let me show you from the other end. Yes, I think Pope Africa is home. Pope! They are here. Guys, they harvested maize, so yeah. This is Pope Africa's mom and Pope. Yes, how are you, Pope?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Yes, we are here. We're removing the corn from the cobs.
Yeah.
Now it's a harvesting season, and that's why you find that most farmers are busy. Maybe they're harvesting, or others are planting and plowing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
So for us here, we are just from the farm we were harvesting. Yeah, and this is what we are doing right now.
Yeah.
We're removing the corn from the cobs.
Yeah. So guys, this is Pope Africa.
Yeah.
Kindly check him out, subscribe. Road to success.
Sure.
Maybe introduce yourself well.
Yes, guys. I'm also a content creator by the name Pope Africa. Go check me out. I have amazing videos about the village life and also about farming. So if you're not lucky to visit this village, you can just go check my videos, and I think you'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
You'll enjoy every single video you watch there. So subscribe, support me, guys. I'm chasing the watch hours, so kindly watch my video till the end and comment down below the comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the village way of removing the maize from the corn. Yeah. So this is Mama Pope. Mama Auntie, salimia. What?
Thank you very much. Hi.
Yeah.
I'm doing here how you can see here. This is the job we have in this Africa.
Yes.
Yeah. We are continuing to remove the
Corn from the cob.
yeah.
Yeah.
This is
Kukongoma
the way,
Yes.
this is the way how we make this food
Yes.
Yeah.
so that we can use for it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So after here, the maize, they will go to the machine.
Yeah, you dry them first like this one.
Yeah.
Also
like
we will sell
Yes.
You can
Others.
yeah.
salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For buying maybe now,
Something
The,
like
the seeds for
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
next
next
for the
season
season, yeah.
of planting maize. Yeah. So how many sacks maybe of maize did you harvest this season?
I've not yet finished harvesting. There's a lot of maize still at the farm, but probably it can be go at 8 sacks. Yeah,
8
go and
sacks.
show him
yeah,
Yeah.
in the house
Maybe.
there.
Oh, we have some
Yeah.
sacks.
Yeah. In the room.
yeah.
Yeah.
No. So this is the one that you harvest today.
Oh,
one.
these ones.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
why we put it in dry.
Okay.
Dry.
To dry first, yeah?
To dry, then start removing. And we have others here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can see. there's
Oh, they're
others
here. Oh, they are still not
Yeah.
like on sacks.
Yeah, you know, this is my room, but because I'm here alone with my parents, so I decided to use it as a store
Yes.
while staying at the other house.
Yeah,
over
that
there.
house, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we have also this other house here.
Yeah.
Maybe
In fact, I'm
can-
trying to build a
You
better
can
house.
give me a tour.
Yeah.
Yes.
No problem.
Yeah, so this is the house.
So this is the door.
Main door.
The main door.
So this you'll
yeah, I'll demolish this one.
yes,
Yeah.
demolish, yeah?
Yeah, I'll demolish this so that at least it can give us a big space.
Yeah, for passing, yes.
So this is the living room. This is the living room. Yeah, we have one bedroom and the kitchen, the tiny one over there.
Oh, this is the kitchen.
Yeah, this one. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, this is
This
the
is
kitchen, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the bedroom is there. This
Oh,
is the bedroom.
it's a one bedroom house, huh?
Just one bedroom house.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is very nice. So what is remaining here, it's to like
Put mud.
put mud.
Yeah.
We call it. You guys can tell us down in the comment section how you call like putting mud. Here we call it kuboma nyumba. Kuboma nyumba.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can tell us down in the comment section. So I think we should invite some people.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
come and help us.
Sure.
And
It's a community. You can't.
yeah.
I can't do it
It,
alone.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's hard for me to do it alone. So
Sure.
I know.
Firewood. Yes.
So I'll have to invite some of my friends to come and at least help me
Yes,
fixing the mud in between these rafters.
Yeah.
Between these
In
rafters,
between,
yeah.
yes.
So it makes a strong wall, so that it can make a strong wall.
Yes.
So
But
it's a-
I think this house is now very strong, and you used like strong wood.
Woods, yeah. These
Yeah.
poles, in fact, are very strong.
Very, very much
In fact,
strong.
I brought enough poles,
Yeah.
but the other ones there, the remaining ones are.
Oh, you have others there.
Yeah, I'm also planning to start maybe building a house for a cow.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But you could do a 2-bedroom because you have enough wood.
Yeah.
A
that-
2-bedroom is okay. You know, when someone comes and visits you,
Yeah.
you can have his
The guest room.
The guest room.
Okay. Yeah, I had that an idea, but you know, due to lack of funds. In fact, the iron sheets were, you know, you grandpa has a hardware, knows how it's quite
Very
expensive. Yeah.
Yes, the iron sheet.
Yeah. So
And I think today, I think what I have for you
Yeah.
will help you maybe at least finish up maybe.
Sure.
Yeah, what I have for you, it's a gift for you that I was sent
Yeah.
by Mama Ann and Marie, her daughter.
Okay.
So what do you say to them?
May God bless you.
Yeah, it was sent for you and mom.
Oh,
That is my
mom.
aunt. Yes,
Yeah.
your mom.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. You know,
Yeah.
I don't have anything to say, but may God bless you abundantly.
Yeah.
You know, God sends
Yeah.
people to come, and in fact, I was very down. I was even thinking of maybe should I stop, because there's a time I almost lost hope because these nails.
Nails.
Yeah. It was quite expensive, so I had to pull down to at least. But I think that gift
Right.
will really help.
Yeah, and right now I think the only place that is remaining is very small.
Yeah.
It's just we can bring friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can invite people so that they can come and help us. So we just plan for a day.
Yeah.
And then you guys, if you will watch this video from our village Nyabuanse, we will be inviting you to come and help Pope.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In our tribe we call it
Gesangero.
Gesangero.
Yeah,
Gesangero.
Gesangero, yeah.
Gesangero is whereby people come together to help someone, maybe in farm work or even
Yeah.
activities like this, like putting mud. Yeah.
Yeah.
It brings unity here in the village.
So you guys, if I know we have some people here watching our videos from our village, we invite you. We will tell you the actual day.
The exact day.
The exact
I'll
day.
let everyone know.
Yeah, so that we come help Pope. You know, if we are many, we can do it even half a day.
Yeah, half a
And the house is complete. So you guys, when we invite you, kindly come. Let's help Pope finish up this beautiful house here.
Yeah.
Yeah, so guys, yeah, so
My mom was saying.
this is firewood.
Yeah.
That is what I was coming to see. So this is also firewood, guys. This maize corn.
3-stone jiko. Maybe you can
Yeah.
come and show them how a 3-stone jiko is.
Yeah, yeah. Remember, guys, this kitchen here, it was like kubomad,
Yeah.
smeared, smearing.
Mud by Genyada.
Genyada, yeah.
I remember
So
that.
Genyada, if you'll see this video, this is where you smeared the kitchen of my aunt over there.
So this is the jiko.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the jiko. So the reason as to why it's called the 3-stone jiko is because
Yes.
this and this.
Yeah. 3.
Yeah. This one is called the Nyengerehi.
Nyengerehi.
Yeah. To support the
To support
Spuria.
the yeah.
So
These ones
you can use it like when you've lit firewood, you just place them like this.
Yes.
And they light so fast. In fact,
Yeah.
what I love with this jiko, it's even faster than gas.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, if you want to, maybe you are in a hurry and you have a lot of firewood, you just light the jiko. It cooks very fast.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. So guys, this is Pope's Africa's
Kitchen.
kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Yes, that is where we get our food from here in Africa, guys. So you can tell us if you have a kitchen like this from where you're watching us from, guys. Yeah, so this is how we live here in our village. So let's talk to Auntie, and then Auntie, kuna my subscribers na ni marafiki zangu pia, my friends, they walinitumia kitu nikupatie wewe na Beni iwasaidie, ambayo ni pesa. So nitakuwa nitatumia Beni, alafu yeye sasa mtajua vile mtafanya na Beni. Yes. So anaitwa Mam Ann na mtoto wake anaitwa Mary. Sawa, ndio waliwatumia hiyo pesa. Sasa unaweza waambia nini kwa English? Waambie thank you so much Mama Ann.
What you have surprised us in this village. So I'm very happy what you have done. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
Amen.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so that is Mama Ann na mtoto wake anaitwa Mari.
Maria.
Mari.
Oh, Marie.
Na
Okay.
mama ya Mari sasa anaitwa Ann.
Okay.
Yeah. So guys, I'm trying to explain the names that surprised my aunt here and Popeye Africa.
Sure.
Yeah. So Popeye Africa, I will be sending you the money. Okay. So M-Pesa, and then send money, and then phone number. Yeah. So guys, this is the gift for Popeye and her mom. Then we will be going to another place also to bless some other people, guys, from our subscribers. I want to say thank you so much, Mom Ann and Marie, your daughter. Be blessed abundantly, and let it be peace, love, and positive vibes. Of course, yeah. So I'm sending Popeye here the man. Yes, let me check here. Yes, this is the name of Popeye, Benedicto Mkabwa. Yeah. So I have sent him the money. So guys, after here we will be moving also to the other place so that we can go and deliver everything, and yeah, so that we can be free, guys. And I want to say thank you so much for the people who are watching us. You guys are really amazing, supporting us, like surprising us. It's so amazing, and I can't cease to thank you guys, because if it was not for God and you guys, we could have not been here today. And also supporting other people. Yeah, because when you support me today, I get that like feeling, or I get that momentum to support other people, and of which that is what I have been doing, of course, in this village, supporting other people, because you guys support me so much. So I really want to support even other people, to bless them also. And of course also my parents, I'm blessing them in a way that I really believe I really want that blessing from my parents and God himself. So guys, let's move to the other to bless other people again from Mom Ann and her daughter Marie. Peace and love. Guys, we are finally here, and hey, we were eating here fruits from Minhawi. Thank you so much, Minhawi.
Welcome.
This is my friend, good friend, Minhawi. A long time.
Long time, guys. Eish. So these guys decided to visit me in the village.
Yes.
They told me like, Minhawi, I'm coming to visit you. And I was like, say no more. I had to prepare fruits. I don't know why they didn't record that.
Yeah.
But we've
Wow.
eaten with Pope here and
Yeah.
him, and it's been merry. And I'm happy that you guys came to pay a visit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been missing in the village for long, and they're like, "Where
Yeah.
did you go?" They thought actually I'm in Mombasa, but I'm back to the village, guys.
Yeah. But you just came the other day.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I was taking a rest before. I've not shot a video from the village. So maybe hopefully today I'll be shooting a video. So guys, check me out. My name is Minhawi.
Yes.
Road to 10,000 subscribers. MIN space HAWI. Subscribe and watch my videos.
Yeah. How was Mombasa? Anyway.
Oh, Mombasa was amazing. Beautiful. I had like the best moments there. And I had friends. I was in company with some friends of mine from the village here. And it was beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. I really miss Mombasa, guys.
need to go
It's
back.
been long.
You really need to go back.
Yeah. I really love Mombasa, especially the beach areas.
I know.
Yeah, I really love.
I know.
I really love that. You know, the first time I was in Mombasa, not the first time, but
As a YouTuber.
as a YouTuber, I met Minhawi.
Yeah.
And I met Paris.
Paris.
And they were so amazing. They were so welcoming because they were in Mombasa living there, and you guys were so amazing.
Thank you.
Because if it was not for you guys, there's some things we couldn't know, like some cheap hotels and some other many things.
Yeah.
Some Airbnbs. Yeah, it was so amazing. So I really missed that.
I hope you come
that
back.
family.
And I hope that we meet there again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
of course. Of course. So guys, go check out on Minhawi. If you're from my channel, you haven't seen Minhawi, kindly go and check her doing amazing content. And a friend, a good friend of mine,
Very good friend.
but she's nowadays she doesn't even want to come and say hi to me.
Guys, this banning is true.
It's true.
Not that I
Yeah.
don't want to come.
Even
I'll
when
give
you
your
came.
schedule, even your schedules. You, especially your schedules, they are very parallel to mine. He's either here, when I'm here, he's not there. When he's here, we're not there.
Yeah.
And when you meet, there are times like, I don't know, people are just reminding them. You know, when adulting, it's called adulting.
Yeah.
I know you're my friend, but you're doing your things and I'm doing my things. When
Yeah,
we meet,
yeah.
we just, you know.
break it
Yeah. And you know, I always want the best for you.
Yeah. Even me, I want the best for
Yeah,
you.
I really have nothing against you.
Yeah, of
Totally.
course,
I want you to know that from the bottom of my
I
heart.
know.
Like you're my person. You're my A1.
Yeah. Yeah. I call her baby.
Baby.
Yes.
That's how we started calling each other.
Yeah.
When we were like here, when we were
In
especially
Mombasa.
started in Mombasa.
Yeah.
Like here, baby, even me, him, Paris, we call each other
Yeah.
baby.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are my good friend. Like that bond. Like we are friends, good
Yeah.
friends. Like baby. It's not that baby for.
Not it's just baby.
Yeah, just baby.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Yeah.
But I really appreciate you so
I do
much,
too.
and all that you are doing for our community also. We really appreciate. And the wedding is when. Yeah.
Guys, if you want to know when the wedding is,
Yes.
please come subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I won't tell him, but I'll tell him maybe in future. But for today, I'll say that on my channel. So please subscribe my channel
Yeah.
and keep watching every day. I'll release the dates there.
Wow.
Yeah.
We are
Will
really
you want to- will you
waiting for
join?
that. Hey, I will
Even
be
if
the
it's
best man.
even if it's outside the country, will you join?
Yes. I will be the best man.
Hey.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
I
So
will be
you're
the
very
best
much welcome. We'll announce the dates.
Yeah.
Hopefully soon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Even mine, I think I'm still thinking about it,
You
but
did you find a wife? Did you finally?
I'm still looking.
I left him when he was doing a series
Yeah.
of finding a wife, and he has never confirmed to us, the audience, if he found one or not. So we are still in limbo.
It's coming very soon. You know,
make it in public.
yes.
If you have one.
it will be in public, but you know, when you want to get a good wife, it will always take you time to get a good wife. I realized I don't have to rush, so I have to learn some things first. But it's coming. My wedding is coming, and it's going to be. We don't want to know.
Okay. Can't
Yes.
wait.
Yeah.
We can't wait.
Yeah. So anyway, Minhawi, a friend of mine and a subscriber, that is Mom Ann and her daughter Marie sent me to you. So they sent me something so that I can give you to help
Mugendi's project.
Mugendi's project.
Yeah.
And yeah, I didn't remove money, so I will be sending to your place. Or you have Fuliza. You know, we have something here
No,
called
I don't have Fuliza.
Yeah.
I don't normally have use Fuliza.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I will send the money for Pope, and I've already delivered to Pope, and now yours for Mugendi.
Mine for Mugendi. Wow,
Yes.
it was such a long line.
Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Finally it arrived.
Yeah, yeah. So I believe they wanted also to see you on my
On my-
video.
on-
Maybe.
Okay.
Yes, that is Minhawi.
Me here. Thank you.
Yes.
I'm going to receive and I'll be like, received.
Yes. And also my sister, she'll send something, but my sister will not be able to go to Nairobi now.
Okay.
So I will just be sending her through M-Pesa.
Okay.
I will call her and tell her.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you guys are really amazing. Thank you so much for also supporting my sister because of her sickness also. It will really help her, and especially this time of now we have chemotherapy. It will really help her in a very big way. I really
I
appreciate
truly
you.
hope she feels better.
Yeah. Yeah. I really appreciate you guys so much for supporting me in this kind of way. Yeah, I really want to say may God bless you abundantly and let it be peace, as I always say, peace, love, and positive vibes.
All the time.
Yes, yeah. So let's send Minhawi the money for Mugendi. Yes. You know, Minhawi has a lot of numbers. So
No, I don't have a lot of numbers. I only have 2.
you know, when I called you with the other number that I have,
I know
you
your
called me
favorite
back.
number.
I was like,
No, I normally have these 2.
yeah.
The personal one and this one that's public.
Wow. So yes, 2,371 exactly. Yeah.
That we're actually looking for iron sheets for Mugendi's house.
Yeah.
So far we have around almost 20 and we need around 40 to 45.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that will buy like how many? An iron sheet is around 1,350
Yes.
or 1,400. So that will boost. At least we'll buy an iron sheet and
Yes.
maybe other things.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Marie.
Marie
God bless
and
you.
Anne, Mom Anne.
Ma-
So
Mom
what do you
Anne.
say to them? Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you for supporting Mugendi.
Yeah.
This project, hopefully, we'll be able to buy an iron sheet for him.
Yeah.
We'll add whatever we have. It means a lot that you're thinking of him like that. And may God bless you so
Yes.
much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also want to say thank you so much, guys, for always supporting us in any way, every way that you guys come to support us, especially subscribing and sharing our videos. We really appreciate that. So I think this will mark the end of our video today,
Yes.
because I met baby here.
Baby.
Minhawi. So she
Yeah.
will be ending our video here.
Guys.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm humbled to be in your presence today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for always remembering our guy here, our baby, Yamaja _KE. He's an amazing person, an amazing soul from the village. Maybe you may not so often see me on his channel, but behind the scenes we are very close. He's my
Yeah.
very close friend. We may not talk every day, but he knows for sure in his heart that I'm his good friend.
Yeah,
and he
sure.
can count on me.
Yeah.
You know, thank you so
Even
much.
you can count on me.
I
You
know,
that.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much for supporting Mugendi and being honest and delivering. You know, honesty is key, guys.
Yeah.
There are people you can send this money and
Yeah.
they get lost for like a month.
Yeah,
And
sure.
you'll see them after the money is complete. But you,
Yeah.
on the other hand, you've been very supportive of other people and you've shown your honesty. And it really means a lot to us that we can count on you in this village like
Yeah.
that.
Thank you so much. Be
Yeah.
blessed. And peace.
Peace out.
Peace and love.
There's a guest
we have
coming
a
in.
guest here now. He's coming to interrupt.
Turn so
Yes.
that they can see the guest.
Hey. Hey.
Yes.
Mami.
Mame.
Yes. How are you,
I'm
Uncle?
good.
Yes.
Yes. How is it?
We are fine.
Pope.
Mm.
Hey.
Hi.
I know you are like, I don't even bring my hand.
Hey, what's
Yes.
good?
Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Maja _KE's channel. My name is Cloud Joseph. And in case you are new to this channel, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And also, if you're from Maja, kindly do so. My name is
Yeah.
Cloud Joseph. I do videos on YouTube by the name Cloud Joseph. And also, here is Pope.
Africa.
Pope Africa. We appreciate your love, and of course, we appreciate each and every person. I appreciate you guys. I'm so grateful for you, by your support of watching our videos without skipping the ads. And of course, my uncle here, Maja. Welcome home.
I was
and
here a
also
long
Pope.
time. I've eaten
Yes.
fruit. You are not there.
You know,
And now we are leaving.
you know, now the man being in the house.
Yes.
Sometimes I just want to go out, come and sometimes you want to be in the house.
Meet your fellow wazes.
Fellow wazeis.
Yes.
You can hear 1, 2, 3 from other
Meet your
wazeis.
fellow elders.
Yeah, my fellow elders, all my fellow ancestors. Yeah, that's how it is. But welcome, guys, and make sure you subscribe to Maja_KE.
Yeah.
I appreciate your love and support right here.
Yes.
We are here together, all guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you,
you.
Mame, for paying a visit, and also Pope.
Yes.
Pope, have you reached 1,000?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Watch
yeah.
hours?
Now it's now.
He's fighting watch hours.
How many do you have right now?
Do more live streams.
Around 3,000.
You
Almost
almost
like one live stream, you'll just be.
do live streams. Keep
Yes.
doing live
Yeah,
streams.
yeah.
You know, I've never gone live.
Just
Go do live
Yeah.
streams. They'll give you the watch hours.
1 hour.
You're at
live.
1,000 already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fanya live streams.
1 hour live.
We'll give you even 200 watch hours
Yeah.
or 100 watch hours.
Yeah.
Welcome all, man. This is what.
Every month.
Yeah.
Every
It's now
month,
home.
Now I know. I was here before you.
Yeah.
Okay, man.
Yes.
Okay.
So guys, I want to say thank you so much, and I really want to appreciate you in
The most special way.
the most special way. And my uncle from that end sitting there.
The nephew.
Yeah, the man of the
niece,
house.
the nephew, yeah.
The nephew.
Yeah.
Yeah, the man of the house here. So I want to appreciate you so much, and thank you so much. Peace and love and positive vibes until our next video, guys.
Thank
Keep
you.
on tuned.